Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Michelle and I want to say welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch this video, and if you are not, I want to say, what are you waiting for? Like, seriously, I'm waiting for you. Hit the button. Okay guys, don't need to scare you. Alright guys, so I have a little bit of cold, that's why I'm sounding like this. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, this gorgeous look, oh, I feel so sexy. But the gag is, I gotta wash this off to go to work. Oh, I don't know, but I'm just so emotional, you know? Okay, if I start being emotional, I'm really gonna cry because my nose. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I achieve this look and this sexy hair tie, go ahead and continue watching the video. So I haven't tried any lip color like this. This is the first one and the first time, but I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm really feeling myself on camera. I wish I wasn't working today, just stay home all day, feel myself, take selfies and stuff, but I gotta do what I gotta do because these bills needs to be paid. Let's just do a little sweet for you guys. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Alright guys, so let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so I'm going in with this color right here for my base color. And the reason why my right eye is done is because I didn't get that on camera. I really thought it was recording when it wasn't. So that is why I'm showing you the left side. And then when I'm applying the little yellowish shimmery shadow, then I'm going to go back to the right because the left side also didn't record on camera as well. I don't understand what this camera be doing. Like, it just be in its own mood swing without my knowledge, y'all. Who does that? Apparently the camera does. Yeah, so after this, I'm gonna go into the same palette with this brownish, shadowish, with this brown shade, and I'm using a smaller brush. And I'm just gonna like pretend like I'm drawing the line just to get that shadow where I want it to be without getting it all over the first shadow that I put on for my base. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna blend that. And guys, after this, I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter because that's what I use as the eyeshadow. And now, as you can see me applying that on my eyelid on the right side. Like I said, I didn't get it on the left side, so we back to the right side. So I just spritzed my brush and was just patting that onto my eyelid. Then I went back in with my second shade that I used just to fade that in, and I went with the bigger brush that I used for my first shadow just to like clean the top of it. And then, as you can see, I am gonna go back and finish, like, do my foundation and all that good stuff, and be right
Okay
back with
guys,
you
so
guys.
I've applied my foundation and contour and all that good stuff off camera. So now I'm back to set, then finish the eyes, the lip, and the look is done and whatnot. So I'm going with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Powder. Ooh, yeah. First of all, I'm just gonna okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna put some lip balm. And that's it. And now for my setting powder, I'm using this brush to put my setting powder on. I use this same brush to put my foundation and concealer. Yes, I did. So I just like put it in there like this, and it grab a lot. So now you want to top it off. As you can see, there's a lot coming off of it. You just want to keep tapping till you get almost everything out. There's a freaking lot in here. Just like that. And then I'll start around my eye, like that, and like that. I don't go too far. Just right there. And like that. That's it. And then more. And the other eye. Like that. So I'm pressing this into my skin, guys. I hope you can see this on camera. I'm pressing that into my skin. Just as gentle as possible. As possible. And like that. Like so. Baby, the water coming? And on this side, like that, and we go to the other side. And I gotta go around my mouth because those areas get oily really fast. And like that. And now my nose. I use the tip of the brush for my nose. I do want to do my whole nose because it do get oily. But yeah, I ain't gonna set the whole nose and then come back here with my contour. Yeah, just for the oil sake. And once I'm done with that, I'm using this pencil brush, and I am gonna spread the brush. Okay, so I'm sorry, y'all, the cold, wow, man. So I'm gonna use this shade, the second shade, which is this one with the brushes in, and I'm gonna put the brush in there, and I'm just gonna go under my eye real quick. So after this, I'm gonna use this little black pencil for my waterline. Just like that. I'm going in with this palette, my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm using this green shimmery shadow called Malay right there. And then I'm using this small brush, and I'm gonna place that right. I'm just gonna wet the brush.
brush that I applied the 8-quarter with to just clean under my, I need to dust the excess powder away, and I'm just tapping it right here into this area because it's super oily. And cleaning under here, and I'm tapping here. Yep, we're just cleaning. Dusting away, not cleaning. Dusting away the excess powder. And then, after that, I found my contour. I'm going to use that same brush. So just, I'm not really going in with anything, just to just go over my contour area so that it can come back out from in a little, just like that. And it's just an empty brush I'm using, guys. I need eyeliner powder, nothing. Just a brush. And that's it. And then I'm using my nose. And just going back and putting my contour back. And that's it. Just like that. And for highlighter, I'm using the same Trophy Wife. For my nose first, I'm using my pinky. So, that is it. And then I'm going to use this small brush I've already used before. I'm going to apply my, we're going to apply some, you're not wearing a blush, I'm just using highlight. This fancy beauty is a trouble in town. And I just put the, I should have said a little bit because I'm going back in. And that's it. And then we do those up. And we're making it a little more. Like that. Oh, damn. That's a lot. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. That is too much. Yeah. Let me just swoop under my brows with the leftover. Oh my Jesus. I'm just using this to clean right here. And for my lip, I'm going to eat with this dark lip pencil. So, that is it. And for lippy, I'm being so colory and dramatic. I'm using this. Yeah, just. And this is the me. I hope this come out good. I really do. I really hope this come out good. Over there. I never applied a color lipstick like this harsh ever before. This is the first one. And I hope it come out good. I really do.